What is up, everyone? Welcome to another daily trading hub video. In this video, I'm going to be doing my analysis on USD cad. What am I looking out for? USD cad. I'm looking out for selling opportunities. But how am I going to be taking those selling opportunities on USD cad? Let's just dive into the analysis and then we see how it goes. So scaling all the way up to the monthly time frame, a big boy time frame. So on a monthly time frame, we have our monthly lower zone, we have our monthly mid-range zone, and then we have our monthly upper zone. So what has price been doing here on a monthly time frame? So initially price was in this big range. So on a monthly time frame, price was in this range. So this was a good range for price. And then what did we have? We had a good breakout. We had a solid breakout. We expected this place to hold for that lower high, and then price continues to create all the way to the upside again. But what are we seeing right now on USD cad? We are seeing that price is losing that level. We're coming all the way down here into the mid-range zone again. This is price right now, and I expect price to go all the way to the downside on USD cad. But let's just see another reason why we're expecting our sell. We are expecting our sell because to me this is acting as a liquidity grab on a big boy monthly time frame. So price went to stop out a lot of people here, and then we are gradually scaling back into the monthly mid-range zone, and then price continues to scale all the way to the downside. Another reason why I'm potentially looking out for selling opportunities is this evening star that has been formed here on a monthly time frame. This is a big boy time frame forming evening star, which is signifying potential reversal for the market to come all the way down to the downside. So how are we going to be taking our trading opportunities on USD cad? Let's just scale down to the weekly time frame and see what we have here. So on a weekly time frame, we have our weekly upper zone, and then we have our weekly lower zone all the way down here. So what has price been doing? So as we saw initially, price was scaling all the way to the upside on USD cad. The weekly time frame went to hit the weekly upper zone. We had price come all the way down, expecting a retest for price to continue to go all the way up. But where are we seeing? We are seeing that price is currently losing that monthly mid-range zone, which was supposed to act as a strong support. What do we want to see? We want to see price come down, do a retest, and then we want to continue to sell all the way to the downside. So another reason for our potential sell is this reversal candle we are seeing here on a weekly time frame on USD cad. This is a potential reversal candle, which is a bearish engulfing candle, potential reversal candle, and then price has broken convincingly this level to the downside. So I expect price to do a retest, like I said, and then we have our selling opportunity all the way to the downside. Another reason why I want to go to the daily time frame to see what price is doing here is this double top. You can actually see this double top that was formed here on the weekly resistance or the weekly upper zone. You can see this double top that was formed here clearly on the zone. So what happened when the price formed the double top? We had a break to the downside, a strong break to the downside. Potential retests would come in, and then we will continue to sell price all the way to the downside. So these are all selling opportunities that I'm seeing for USD cad. So for our time frame, for our trading opportunity, we can see that the 4-hour is in a downtrend, a strong downtrend going all the way to the downside. So we can also see here that we have a series of lower low, a lower high, we had a lower low, lower high, we had a lower low again, another lower high, we had a strong lower low that has broken that strong monthly mid-range zone. So what I'm expecting, like I said, is for that retest and then price to continue to sell. Or another way we can have it is price to complete the lower low on the daily mid-range zone, and then we have our retest, and then we continue to sell. So these are all selling potential opportunities that I'm seeing for USD cad. Let's just scale down to our 2-hour time frame. Our 2-hour time frame is also telling us the same story. Price is going to the downside. So these are all levels that have been currently broken, and then we expect price to come all the way to the downside. So my first TP I'll be looking out for would be price to reach these daily mid-range zone somewhere around, say, 1.7345 or 1.729, maybe anywhere around the zone. Anywhere around the zone. This is my first TP, and if price continues to scale all the way to the downside, I expect price to come all the way down to this weekly support level. So these are the levels that I'm watching for TPs on Usdcad. So I'm looking out for selling opportunities, nothing but selling opportunities on Usdcad. So till the next one, peace, I'm out. Anyways, don't forget, I'll be dropping this signal when it's ready in our free Telegram, so be sure to join. Peace, and I'm out.